Super. Oh. Pull out the chair. So we have a little package. Very exciting stuff. Like an unboxing. Making an unboxing video. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. This is calm down.
Nope.
So,
Okay, spin it.
a minute. So first of all, me and the boys, we have a little thing. We do enjoy board games, and right now we're really into something called Dice Throne. So we got a couple of characters. Got the brand new, at least it's brand new for us, Deadpool character for Dice Throne. If you don't know what Dice Throne is, it's a phenomenal game. A bunch of characters. So we got the. So we got Deadpool, of course. My assistant. Want to take a look? And we got the Tyrant, and the Ninja character as well. Another Dice Throne. Want to take a look? And yeah, you really with one of my boys really wanted the ninja character. I really wanted the Shadow Thief. Oh, sit down. And we got the Pyromancer and the Shadow Thief, also for Dice Throne. You want to take a look? Trying to introduce. Yeah, trying to introduce the board games to my youngest as well. And another game we are really into is something called Unmatched. It's a PvE, or no, sorry, not PvE, PvP board game. And we got I think it's relatively new. We got the Battle of Legends Volume 3. Yeah. So we got. I'll show you later. So we got 4 characters in this set. We got Loki, Chupacabra, we got Blackbeard, and the last one is Pandora. And it's probably going to be me and the oldest one. It's gonna have a couple of playthroughs later today, and I'll probably record those as well to showcase the game. And this is something that's brand new to my channel. I primarily do training videos and gaming videos, but I am such a nerd, so I also love board games, and it's something that I will also be posting a little bit on my channel and just showcasing, another side to me. And yeah, super excited. Yeah. So we got, just to kind of summarize it all, we got a single box of Unmatched, 4 characters in it. We got 3 boxes of Dice Throne, a single character set and a double character set, standalone. Both, like, you can play Dice Throne with just one of these boxes with 2 characters in. But the good thing with Dice Throne is, like, you can, I would almost go as far as and say, like, it doesn't matter like how many people you are, because you can just play free for all or team-based as well. The same thing goes with Unmatched, but the best is like somewhere between 2 or 4 people. But super exciting game. Yeah, I think that's it. we will crack open these boxes and kind of assemble the small bits and pieces that we need. Yeah. Let's look.